reinforced bracket to hang shelves is a practical and efficient solution that simplifies the installation process while also ensuring stability and durability. By securing the bracket to the wall at a predetermined height and level, you can easily attach the shelf, saving you time and effort in the process. To make an eye bolt from a chain, all you need is a few simple tools and a little bit of know-how. Using a cutting tool, you can easily create a section of chain with a clean end that can be threaded onto a bolt or anchor point. From there, all you need to do is secure it in place with a nut or lock washer, and you have a sturdy and reliable eye bolt that can be easily tightened or loosened as needed. This technique is not only practical and efficient, but it also allows you to customize the size and strength of the eye bolt to suit your specific needs. When using this hack, it is important to make sure that you utilize all the materials within the bag to achieve the desired outcome efficiently and effectively. If you're dealing with an old and broken exhaust screw that's stuck in an LS head, you may be wondering how to remove it. Fortunately, there is a simple method that can be used to remove the screw in just a few seconds with some basic supplies. The first step in this process is to gather the necessary supplies. You'll need a welder, a small piece of metal, such as a bolt or nut, and a wrench. Once you have these items, you can begin the process of removing the broken exhaust screw. To start, use the welder to attach the piece of metal to the top of the broken screw. This will essentially turn it into a bolt that can be easily removed with a wrench. Make sure that the piece of metal is securely welded to the screw, as you don't want it to break off or come loose during the removal process. It is important to exercise caution when marking and cutting angles, as even the slightest deviation from the desired measurements can result in asymmetry and affect the overall quality of the project. Therefore, before proceeding with any cuts, it is essential to meticulously check the distance of the angles, ensuring that they are precisely measured and marked. To achieve symmetry, it is recommended to use a square and a compass, as these tools allow for accurate and consistent measurements that will result in a beautifully crafted and visually pleasing end product. Particular drill bit is designed to provide optimal performance when it comes to attaching hooks to a wide range of surfaces. Whether you need to secure a hook to wood, metal, or even concrete, this drill bit will effortlessly create the necessary holes with precision and speed, ensuring that your hooks stay securely in place. Its durability and effectiveness make it an essential tool for any DIY enthusiast, handyman, or professional contractor looking for a reliable solution to their fastening needs. A couple of squares placed adjacent to each other form a precise and accurate straight angle, which is ideal for arranging and positioning any object with utmost symmetry and balance. This geometric configuration creates a visually pleasing and aesthetically harmonious arrangement, making it a popular choice among designers, architects, and artists alike.